Oh, Goody Jan, this flower smells so amazing.
Goody Nicole, I love daffodils. I'm so glad that you agreed to plant them in our garden, even though they're not edible.
That's right, but they make such lovely ornamentals here in the dooryard garden at the Stanley-Whitman house.
And my grandmother did bring the bulbs back from England.
Yes, that's where they originated from.
Yes.
And we'd like to invite everyone to come to the dooryard garden for the Connecticut Open House Day on Saturday, June 11th.
And we're going to have the Connecticut Historic Gardens Day on Sunday, June 21st. Oh, I'm sorry, June 26th. There won't be daffodils there, but there'll be other beautiful flowers for you to see.
And for more information, please visit the Stanley-Whitman House website.